our app again, and today, as I said, we will implement our prompt builder if we really need it. We will start implementing our bot, and also I didn't forget, we will fix our tool, agent loop, so that it would support streaming, right? So, alright, let me complete setup my stream so that you can hear the music. Where is this? Alright, let's go. And so let's go. So first we need to implement, as I said, agent, and in the agent loop, right? So okay, so let me actually review our current loop implementation so that I could know. I know that, but I need to remember it completely. So first we do take some parameters such as our prompt to the AI. Max iterations means maximum amount of tools that can be used by this AI. And so the first thing that we are checking is if max iteration is not set here, then we set max iteration to 25, right? Then we add our message to history. History is needed for remembering the previous messages, right? And then we are starting the main logic, and here first thing that we see is agent. First is that iteration is increased by 1, so max iterations and current iteration are relatable, I would say. And so we do send response to AI, request, and AI already does all the things, and it returns with the result, right? So that we add to history the result right here, and then we already check the result on tool calls, and if there are some tool calls, we check those tool calls on function name, arguments, or whatever. If you don't know what is tool call, it's basically calling an external function that would help with some task. And so we execute this function or tool, we return it to... oh no. Let me fix that. So we return that to our LLM right here. We just add it to history, and then again all the same thing. It prompts with already ready tool results, and LLM processes it. If there are no tool calls, it returns the output, right? So I think you got the idea. Also, I remembered the thing. So right now, apparently, we need to add async the stream. So run stream, let's call it run stream, write this. Also the same logic here, but we need to change some things here. So first of all, let's set stream to true. Oh, and this is complicated. Yes, we set the stream to true, but now we need to return those stream events, right? Stream messages. How to do that? So we could just return these messages as we like this, but then we will not be able to continue doing these things, right? Or we could just eventually, by the way, I've got an idea, we could just step by step add in history. How's that? Yeah, it's a good idea actually. But I guess our current model for storing responses will not take that, right? So let's go. Async for chunk in response. What did we do here? Wait, it's complicated. Cleaning with tools. Okay. LLM streaming with tools. It's a bit complicated. Okay, we could ask our composer to decide how to stream the output, and alongside call that tool calls and do all that logic in the loop and stream, right? Also, I forgot to set it to ask. Alright, it's asked, right? What does it change? Did it change something? Oh no, it didn't. Very good. So you're on the right track. The core idea is stream one LLM turn. Wait a minute. The idea? Where is this? Wow. There are diagrams. So, the core idea is stream one LLM turn. Accumulate a full assistant message, then reuse the same tool execution path as run. Okay, very interesting. So let's see mental model, I guess. So let's see. It gets response. It adds the history. For streaming, each iteration becomes so I think I've got that. So what do we do here? Let me open this. Alright, we have two calls. If yes, then execute, then add to history, then stream LLM turn, right? Yelp text chunks. Alright. Okay, I suppose first thing that we're gonna need is execution tools, right? And then we need to return the agent's answer, I guess. So I don't know about the output, guys. So okay. So let me wait a minute. So as I said, I'm streaming, right? So as I said, I need some. I need to think. Yeah, I'm streaming. Somebody is writing some comments. Hi, Dematic Ties. So I don't know. Wait a minute. So I don't really know what to do here. So yes, right, we could use streaming here, but how to accumulate the answer and return this? Alright. This is complicated, yes. Okay, let's read this here. Use client.stream, not .send. Oh, right. I forgot it. So client.stream, right? Okay. That's right. So in the hard part, accumulated tool calls. Text is easy, Yelp each delta.content tool calls arrive incrementally across many chunks. Wow. It is very complicated. ID, the name, the argument, JSON. You must wait. This is very complicated. Yeah, I got the idea. Like, wow. After the stream finishes, turn that into real chat. I got it. Wow. Okay. So apparently it is very complicated and it's much harder than I thought. Let me actually think about that. It's alright. The first thing that we're gonna do is just collecting the text, right? Wow, that's really complicated. As I said, 3 times or 5. Okay. So I suppose... I don't know. Okay, we've got the response from our LLM. Let me disable the cursor tab for 15 minutes. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, like, I need to experiment first, because, like, what is that object? Okay, first I need to know what is returned when I do something like this, right? So let's return the response. Okay. So let's open up the terminal, activate the environment, then let's run Python and import our agent. Alright. Let's call him nobody. Okay, and then we need to check what agent.loop.run stream does. So let's assign some prompts, right? So it's apparently it's coroutine object, right? Hello, Domestic Chase. Yeah, I'll be streaming until 9. So, yes, let's return this, and I guess it's coroutine object, right? Oh, okay. Let's run this. How is it called? Run stream? I guess like this. And it has no object run stream. Wait a minute. No, it definitely has, like it has. Oh, agent loop, I forgot. So a sync generator cannot be used in a RAID. Alright. So apparently I got this. We need to remove this string. I didn't know about that. Let's import again. Ours. And now what we're gonna do, so importing async.io and running the agent. The run stream hi, for example. So it has no attribute run stream because I made a typo, right? Ream. So it's a sync generator. Let me read about async generators. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up, guys. You tell me that all this time you didn't see the screen. No. Oh. Shut up. So that's annoying. So a synchronous generator is a special type of function that combines the behavior of coroutine and a standard generator. It allows you to produce stream of data asynchronously. Okay, meaning you can pause execution to wait for it. Like, I got that. So to create a sync generator, you do something like this. You're importing this async.io, you're iterating of something, you're just yielding something, and in our client we do something like this, right? What is this? Gemini, what is this? Alright. Like, we can do list with our stream, right? Wait. Yeah, exactly. I meant run stream. So obj and list obj. So a sync generator is not iterable. Right? Okay, async for obj, rank obj, like this. No. What? Oh, wait. What? What is wrong? So apparently it's right. Oh. I absolutely forgot about the argument. Like this. Now let's run this. Okay. Wow. So many many responses right here. So let's normalize this. Okay. So this is object, right? I guess like this. So we have chat stream choice, right? And we have delta. By the way, I always was curious what does delta mean? Delta is the fourth letter of Greek alphabet. In mathematics, it represents the change, the difference between two values. I know that. In geography, I don't know. In finance, I don't know. I guess it's mathematical meaning, right? Like the change of the answer, maybe. So there is chat stream delta, audio, content, reasoning, reasoning details, format, ID, index, refusal, role, ID, model. Is there tool choice? Error. Okay. So as I see, it's very complicated to accumulate all the data. So first let's see what is going on with our response and where we store it. It's somewhere here. It must be here. Right, there's history. So history is consisted by chat messages. Alright. So we need some methods, or I would say we need to extend our class, like accumulated current message, or what? No, there is a problem here. And the problem is that we have chat stream choice and we have just chat choice, and these are completely different architectures, right? So we would need completely different architecture here. I would say. Is there a chat stream? Oh, there is chat stream message maybe? No. Maybe chat stream choice at least. Yes, there is. Wait a minute, I forgot what chat messages mean. For example, chat assistant message. It's just basic content, right? something like this, right? Okay. So chat stream choice. Let me see this. Here we have chat stream delta, finish reason, index. What is the index? Wait. I need to see what is in the. Oh, by the way, there are chat tokens here. I didn't notice it. Where is this finish? Oh, there is index here. Okay, that's good. Alright. So I guess we have like simple data here, like just index, finish reason, and delta, right? But I don't see something like these values. Oh, they're here. Log props. What is this? I don't know. Okay. And I see base model here. Code generated by Speakeasy. Just generated code. Wow. Alright, wait a minute. Oh. Okay. So it's from config.git, right? So there is title, some values here, some recommendation here. Some tests, I guess. Okay, but I don't see here other fields. Maybe there are model fields things. It's already Pydantic, isn't it? Or what is this? No, I guess it's... Yeah, right, it's Pydantic. No, I don't need Pydantic. Okay. Wait. Where's the finish reason? No, I see finish reason here, but there is no created. Or wait, I see something here. There are choices. Blah blah blah. There is reason in details here. Refusal. Okay, and it's the end of choices, right? And also there are some metadata, but where's this metadata? Wait. I'm really curious. Like chat, response or result. So there are choices. Yes, there are all these things. And what is in choices? No, there are definitely... I guess there are definitely some models for this thing. Wait, can we just ask the LLM? Or... I suppose it chat stream choices, right? No, no, no. So, what is the model, pydantic model for this in OpenRouter SDK? So let's see what it says. So the top level pydantic. I'm too far here. Okay. Chat stream chunk. Oh. It's chat stream chunk, I guess. Chat stream chunk. Right. Is there a chat stream chunk? Yes, there is. And here are all these things. Error, system fingerprint, and etc. Also there is usage, but I don't see it here. Yeah, like I see service tire. Where is this? Created at ID model object error. Oh, there is object here. I didn't even notice. Error, service tire, system fingerprint. Usage. Oh, there is no usage here, right? Yeah, there is no usage here. And everywhere here I see there is no usage. As I suppose, usage is in the end, or I'm wrong. Wait a minute. There's something this? Like, yes, there is some usage here. Wait, it's something different already, I see. So, this whole... I don't even know how to call this thing? Choices. Where is this? Where is the object? Oh, it's chunk, right? Oh, no, no, not the whole thing. Just wait a minute. Chat stream choice. Chat stream choice. Chat stream choice, alright. Chat stream choice. Alright, but I already see some new lines, fields here, right? Do you see it? Like, we have prompt tokens, details, we have usage. Here, where is this? Wait, here it is. Chat usage. Oh, I guess chat usage is available only like when you complete the response, right? Yes, it's very smart, by the way. Yeah, it's very smart. Okay, chat messages not defined. Is it defined now? I guess, right, yes. So apparently we need to fix our history, right? Or not? No, I guess it would be easier to accumulate something inside. Like, I don't really need to store this so that I could accumulate something like here. But we need some more functions for this. Oh. Alright. So I guess the first thing that we're gonna need is accumulating all the data on each turn. And by the way, I would simplify the loop. And I know how to do that. Guys, I know. So first, I think it would be really smart to simplify this loop. So what can we simplify here? We could add some decorators, don't you think? Or we could use this code, right, as a separate function. Yeah, I guess. Okay, let's do that. A single dev. So how to call this? I would call this like handle 2 calls, self 2 calls. Now let's just space it here. Alright. Alright. And also the response, we need the response. Yes, right. Child stream chunk. No, that's not right. It's chats result, right? Now I could do something like this. Delete that. And now do this one. Okay, that's right. And do something like this. Okay. What is this now? So, alright. So yes, we have run stream. We have this thing. Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. So right. Oh no. So we do something like max iterations, add assistant message, and then handle two calls. It's already much more simple, right? But there is a big problem, and it's that I don't understand. Now I need to understand how to calling works in streaming. Yes. So to calling calls stream.py, right? No, wait. No. So from call.agent import agent also import sync.io, and then we need also import tool. So from call.agent.tools import tool. Now we need to implement simple tool like calculator, or just add function. Add two nums, AB. These are int, right? We have agent as well. We have the name for the agent. Assistant, helpful assistant. Also we have the result. And it's run stream, right? Also the result is in this, right? So, okay. Range result count. I would say when already print import from pepperint, import pepperint, and now pepperint. What can we change here? Indent equals 4, right? Or 2 for simplicity. What can we add then? Death, stream. Okay, that's fine. So let's run Python script to call stream. There is no call package, right? Because I forgot to add something like import sys path.insert. Oh wait, I need to import pathlib as well. So the insert 0 str path link dot path and file. Yes, so right here we're getting the we're adding this file to the path, so that the call package in the path, so that the parents one. Oh wait. Import pathlib.path. scripts, for example. Agent play .py .parents. And what's the error? So the error said that. Oh, I forgot to add print here. So let's list or just use something like this. Okay, scripts dot I guess just the whole directory, right? Like this one and all these files, right? Okay, that's fine. So now we can execute python script.py, I mean toolcalls.py, no model how. What is going on? Oh, I mean we need to import the import after this, like this, right? So that first we add paths and then we only add imports for the package, right? Okay, what is 1 plus 2? Okay, let's run something more difficult. What is blah blah blah? Use your tools. Alright. Oh, I forgot to add tool. No, I didn't. There is no pretty print. So let's dump model dump here. Right? So that's fine. Okay. So now I need to read all this. Let's set indent to 1. It's too big, I see. Alright. So first thing that we do here is nothing, right? So first it's reasoning, right? We need to accumulate reasoning. Only then, somewhere here, it must already start adding text to the output, right? These are tool calls, guys. Oh, there is something here. I see. But still no content. Oh, I see tool calls here, guys. I see tool calls here. But still there is no content, right? Yeah, there is no content. Yeah, I see delta content none. right? Tool calls. So content can be none or strings, right? So there are tool calls. Okay. So when you're tool calling, content is none, right? I got it. And here there is this tool call, no arguments, just name. Okay, as you can see, fortunately, we don't need to accumulate JSON parts, because I thought like we need to accumulate two call parts like this. It's already good. So there is also something here. Role assistant. Wait, what? It's adding arguments here. Yeah. So let's see. It has 3 tuples. Is eventually accumulating them. Alright. So there is another thing here. There is usage here. Where is the result? Like I don't see here the result. It's too big. Is there results from so can you breathe this for me? So reason stream approximately 20 chunks. Content is empty. Reasoning is. The question is, what is this? User tools? Tool call starts. Tool call art stream. Finish last 2 times. No text answer. Wait, what? Why is there no text answer? Final chunk adds usage. So, what is wrong? This was stopped at the tool call boundary. Your loop still needs to execute add 2 nums. Bent the... Oh, I got it. It didn't execute the tools because I didn't write the functionality for this yet. So we can trust the code here, like here, right? Oh no. So build full. So if there is finished reason, we need to build full content, right? I guess. How to understand is that it has filled the needed things. Like here, we have no arguments here. And here, where is this? We have arguments here. There is no finished reason. There is no finished reason, and there is no finished reason. Oh, I see that. So we have some... So here we have choices that are very short. There is no information for us. We just say that, oh, it's done. And that's all. Let me run this. What do we see on the final message, by the way? So apparently on the final message, we see nothing, right? So yeah, it fills this function with no arguments, and then it fills it with arguments. Yeah, it's trying. And only then it has finished reason. Okay. That's very... It isn't documented anywhere, I guess, that we need to look into the previous message from LLM. I mean, we need to look into the message before the chat reasoning thing, before the stop reasoning, finish reason thing, right? Oh. So now I need to just need one thing. It's very simple and it's very hard. Somehow we need to return text, right? And we need to return it really well. So I guess we could do this, just do something like this. Where is this run stream? You could just do something like async for, right? And then iterate and just return. Does the function after the Yelp thing continue to work? Because after return it does not. Yes. That's good. It's difficult. Wait, I've got an idea. What if we could pass the to call before the complete message? Can we pass to call result before the complete message? Short answer, not during the SMLM stream chunk, but yes from your on-stream generator as soon as the tool call is complete and before you meet a final event. So you cannot safely run the tool until orcs are fully accumulated, usually when stream ends, so you can't yield. You're real, right? Wait a minute, so you're telling me something like this? Wait. So I would like to comment this, right? I would like to do something like this in order to test. And let's comment this as well, right? So now, let's return response, okay? And let's check that again. Okay. I see something. Yeah, finish reason 2 goals. And please. Yeah, like, I see it's trying. It's really trying. But the thing here is that tooth call object is here and our response is here. So how do we need to chat? Who knows? How could we extract this thing from the whole these, I would say, history? Could you just extract it by something like filtering? Yes. But how would we know that this is complete, like, really? So apparently we need 2 events. Right. Wait, why didn't we architecture our agent as events based? It would be smarter. Because I didn't think about that. Wait, I don't understand something here. And that is... So there is, I guess... okay. No. Did you read the std out? The final chunk does not contain the 2 calls. Yes, I read it and you're right. The final chunk do not carry 2 calls. The actual 2 call data is in earlier chunks. What this means for your loop. You must accumulate during the whole stream. Wait, what? What is tool ACC? Oh, it's dicht. What is DC? Oh, tool call. So if chunk has finished reason, then final reason. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm starting to get in it, right? Right, I'm starting to get in it. Wait, let me search for some cool music here. Let's choose disco. Alright. I got that. I got that. So let me draw you an actual picture. So first thing that we're doing is prompting the LLM, right? So the next thing that we're doing is, so yes, prompting. Then we do something like yielding the content, like in our streaming it's chunk, right? So before the chunk, before the yielding the chunk, we need to accumulate chunk data, and that data is basically our tool call. Okay, so we accumulate this, we store this something like this data, we accumulate data, we yield in chunks, and what we are doing the next is that we actually check on finish. So is it finished, right? And if it is finished, we return the final result. Okay, but also while we're yielding the chunks, we can yell like, oh, wait, check on finish. It's not all. I forgot to add something like execute, accumulate, and execute tools, right? And also then we're doing something like stream, like yield the tool result, again tool results to our user, right? And only then we're starting it again. So we're going to go to data, so we're going right here and we're repeating all that. And if there is no, like, if no data, then return, right? So we're doing like this whole loop. Actually, pseudocode is amazing. So actually, for how long am I streaming now, guys? So I'm streaming for like not that much, only 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so let me do a little break. Okay, little break. Okay, so see you in 5 minutes.
Kinda
Hello, hello. Let's continue. So, as I said, first let's remove those comments, right? Let's do something like this. Remove this one. And so what we're doing right now, basically we're yielding the response, right? But before that, we need to... Oh wait, I forgot to iterate, right? So I think for Chan, in the response, we need to yell Chan, but before that, we need to aggregate, accumulate, whatever the data. So we need to first check whether there is content, is there a tool call, is there a finished reason, right? Or I just think we need to check if there is finished reason, right? Yeah, as I said, tool call, finished reason, right? And what's the third? Content, right? And so each chunk, the choices 0 dot delta dot content, then we do something like this as well. So data equals this. So there will be like data is just a response, at least a minified version of this. There will be content and tool calls. So let's add content and tool calls. Also finish reading, right? Okay. Right. Wait a minute. So if there is tool calls, we add tool calls thing, right? And if there is finished reason, we add also finished reason thing. All right. And just wait a minute. I think we could do something. Data equals chat result, right? And it just equals like chat result. Is there some... yeah, there are some necessary things. So it'll be just result or none, right? Equals none for now. Or why wouldn't we use chat string chunk? Just because we don't need it. why would we need chunks, right? So let it be chat result. Order sleeps. Or whatever we're doing. We'll just have as we did content. Yes. Yeah, like this. And in the end, here, if there is finished rhythm, so if finish equals true calls, we then aggregate our result, like here. And here, we need to pass all the info. Yeah, for now it's like that, but it isn't fine. Wait. There's no chat shows as well, right? So just what chat message. No, that's completely garbage. Why would we need it? Why? So, right, because like we could just do something like this. In our history, we need chat message, right? So apparently we need chat result. Chat system assistant message. Not really. We need such things. So we need chat assistant message, really. Okay. Where is this chat assistant message? So message equals chat assistant message. All equals assistant content equals content 2 goals. 2 goals, alright. But it's not all, because we need to add other things like reasoning details, name. Wait, we also need to accumulate reasoning, right? Where's the reasoning details? I see it's in finish reason none. There is no reason details here. So I need to accumulate reasoning. Wait, by the way, what is this? What is this? By the way. We also need reasoning, right? So basically, what we are trying to do is to simulate the response. The full response, I mean. Reasoning. Yes. The block is encrypted reasoning, not something you're meant to decode. So, encrypted payload. Let's provide a sidechain of codes. Oh. Oh, it doesn't expose all the plain text written in, right? It's based 64 encrypted data. You don't decode it locally without XAITs. XAITs, I mean. Very smart, very smart. So if we could decode somehow this, we would get the full reasoning, right? Wow. So I don't think that we need to accumulate reasoning details. We only need something like, where is this? Role. We already have this. Audio, images, refusal, maybe. Two calls. We already have two calls. Is there a refusal thing? Refusal. No, there is no. What finish reason can be? But I think we need to refusal thing. Or like refusal. First, wait. Audio, right? Refusal, right? And also, wait a minute. Yes, that's much better. And also image. Wait. So apparently we need audio, role, images, name, origin, refusal. Okay, we're done. So finish reason can be scope and or content filter error. Right. Alright. So LE data equals stop. Right. So apparently I need to add resonant thing here. I need to think how to all that here. But before that, I need to check one thing. RF usual equals none, and if alright, if data finished reading equals or just in something like control filter or error, then we do things like this. Refusal equals true. I guess it's true, like, right? I guess it's bool value. I hope. Refusal. I mean refusal. Refusal. Or just refusal? Right? Right, it's refusal maybe. So here, where is this? Is here refusal. The refusal message in content culture for refuse. Alright. It's not like true or false. So apparently we'll add just finished reason here. Right. And here I forgot to handle all that. So if chunk has reasoning, then we add this and all that as well. No, we just have refusal. So if there is content, right, tool choice, delta, reasoning. Wait, there is no message here. There is delta only. By the way, it may not happen as well. These audio values or whatever. Like here. We don't have any of them, right? Alright. Dot audio. If get attribute. Then we need to do like this. Yes. Now here you get attribute images and the same with reasoning details. I don't want know why would we do this, but okay. No, actually we don't need reasoning details. I don't think we need it. Alright. Why? I need to check something. So choices. ID created model, right? Okay. All right. So apparently it doesn't work. And this one works. The delta, right? So this whole thing could work. Right, we added these to the agents. We old chunk. Now like this thing, chunk thing. We copy it and paste it here so that I could reuse it. Accumulate data, chunk, pass it here, right? Please correct this. Almost right. That's right. Also, I forgot to add data. Chunk and data as well. Data is assistant message, right? Yes. Data assistant message, right? Alright. Chat assistant message, okay. It doesn't return anything really. Or it could return this. So just a simulation of chat assistant message, right? And it returns just assistant message. So we can do something like this. Delete this thing. Now we could do something like this, right? Data equals accumulate data, right? Wait, what is this bag right here? What is this C or this? What are these things? Apparently this is about in cursor. So we're a Gilding chunk, right? Right. Also, it would be good to add like parse chunk thing, but it's already not necessary. So we yield chunk, okay. We're done with accumulating data. We yielded chunk. That's okay. So now we need to do something like, wait a minute. So we accumulated data, right? We've got a chunk. We've got all chunks. We've got all the data. We've got the final response, right? That is, wait a minute. Yeah, we also need to do something like this. Yeah. Where is this run stream? Yeah. Alright. Data, okay. That's good. Also, I need to delete that into history here because it is not good design. Where is this? Or it's right here, right? So where is this? I guess it's in here, right? So right. So there are. Oh, it's here. But in here, where is this? Handle tool calls. We need to return something, right? And not just plain zero. We need to return tuple or things like until result and tuple ID, right? So in the end, we are doing like this. Return until result, tuple ID. It's enough. So now to result, tuple ID. Alright. That's fine. Oh no. Still result is not defined. Are you kidding me? Oh. There's an error here. Yeah. Now it's right. True result. Alright. Yeah, that's fine, guys. That's fine. Oh. Where is the project described? It's described right. Right. Like right now, this is just a Telegram AI that can message. So basically you can just talk to it, you can prompt it some questions, you can use web search in future versions, and now as well the bot team isn't like ready yet, and we are actually working on our bots to go actually live and launch it so that you can test it in, like, really test it and you wouldn't need any descriptions, I guess. So like I suppose we will have a demo of our bot in the near future where the bot is already done and we've implemented all the things that we wanted, but right now it's just I would say the simple things. So right now it is even like I would say it isn't even like 20% ready, so it is a long path there. Alright. So what did I want? Yeah, I yelled at the chunk, right? And what next did I want to do? I suppose I wanted... Chad, what did I want to do? I forgot really. Okay, let's see what we... okay, we are... Alright. Seems like I got it. So I was planning to handle actual results, so how to do this? Oh, I got it. So self.handle tool calls. Now we pass to the tool calls data, right? Already data. And now we also do something like tool result tool call ID and agent.history blah blah blah. Right. Like where is the agent? Can it? Wait. Download agent. I forgot. Yeah, it should be fine. Alright, I cannot see really the chat, so I'll read it here. What's up, user UK? What's up, XMR Ball? Hello, guys. Hello. So then, the next thing that I'm gonna do is call the variant pin, the most difficult pin. So, review the current implementation of the loop.py and tell the issues and what is just tell the issues. Okay. Alright. Can I invent a project that we don't need to host? Alright. So what are you exactly saying? So you were saying basically that I needed a project that I don't need to run on myself, or what? Oh, seems like I got you. So you wanna run it locally, or what? So what are the issues right now? Oh no, there are so many issues here. The critical run stream will crash or corrupt state. What? History grows on every chunk. Right, I know that. Alright. History. So what is the problem? Add assistant message runs per chunk. Wait, what? Really? I didn't know. Oh no. Yes, no host, nor locally, nor in DigitalOcean. Okay, let me think. So if you don't wanna run it locally, then like how do you want it to run? If there is no host, if there is no local run, like how do you want it? I wanna get that idea. So okay, I got that because I got that. We don't need to grow our history on every chunk, right? So let's. Oh no, that's an issue. That's an issue here. Oh no. Well, let me think actually. So if we don't wanna like extend our history, yes, no host, no local. If we don't wanna extend our history, every chunk, which is such a complete nonsense bug. I don't know how to call it. So we need to do this, I guess, after the full response, right? So we would do something like this. So we're adding this one. We're also I did the wrong thing here. Yeah, guys, I did the wrong thing here. The right thing is something like that. I'm a bit tired, so these are such noise mistakes, I would say. So if I got you right, you don't wanna run it locally, you don't wanna run it in the cloud. But where should it run? I don't get it. Like, I don't get the concept that you're talking about. So, alright. We have two results. Oh, no. We have two results. We're adding message to our history, right? We didn't add this two results to our history. So, let me explain something here. So here, first of all, this run stream function is running like a stream in LLM, so that you can just basically, if you know that most of the AIs are just like streaming the context, right, like streaming word by word, and this function does this. And here we are accumulating our data for the tool calls, so that we could handle those tool calls. Tool calls or tools are basically functions or external functions that help you do some things, right? Like as an example, it could be like web search, the easiest version of tool call, of tool thing, right? And here we're adding these messages to the history. Why? Because we have our history in order to LLM to remember something, right? So review it now. Actually, I think I'll force this LLM to fix my problems, right? So server, blocker per chunk history, chunk choices on stream chunk. Oh, I got it. I've got a serious error here, which I didn't notice. Finish reason reach from delta. That's a problem. Missing a wait on handle tuples, that's true. Tuples not merged by index. Oh, wait. Is there index? What? A run only saves last two result. Oh. I didn't know that. No second LM turn after tools. Tool choice types written in details script wait. Well, where is the problem? I can implement extortion. So still broken. 9 things are broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 actually. So delta blah blah blah. Finish reasoning. Okay, like your static JS site is hosted in IP. Oh, it seems like I started getting you. IPFS, and then all crap is hosted on client browsers, and state of an app lives as long as someone still online. Yeah, it seems like an interesting idea. I didn't dig into IPFS thing. Like I know that network, but I didn't dig like technically in there. I just know some theory about it. But actually interesting idea. Yeah, I would definitely like dig in to know more about it, because it's like sounds interesting. But honestly, I don't know if it's like possible. If I'm not mistaken, there are some problems with IPFS. So it lives as long as someone is online. Yeah, that's interesting, but I think that someone would already implement this, because it's such a simple idea. But I don't know. I will definitely search this after the stream, so on the next stream I'll definitely tell you if you will be on the stream. Okay? So what are the issues here? Two calls not merged by index. I know that. Reason in details. So I guess reasoning details are not implemented, tool choice is not implemented, script await is not implemented. What is script await? Tool calls. Yes. Yeah. So the first issue I understand, right? The second issue I understand too. The third issue, wait, what is this? I don't quite understand. Missing a late wrong time for handle. Oh yeah, it's simple issue. No finish, reasoning equals stop, early exit. Yeah, that's interesting. Early exit. That's definitely an issue. Two calls not merged by index. This one is very difficult. I don't know what does it. Yeah, like if we suppose that tools have, I mean, responses of AIs have like several choices or variants of the like answer, then we're so cooked. because we will need to implement so much things. Around multi-tool regression. Let's do the most dangerous thing in the world. So it's interesting how will it handle this. Oh, there are some changes already. So it proposes us to fix imports, right? So it's adding type checking, async generator, any, of course we need any, and it's adding chat, nothing new actually here, only chat tool call and chat tool call function. Okay, let's keep that. So here, oh no. So here, request quarks. So here, we're just returning like request quarks as set. But why would it need it? If not agent tools, return. Okay, it's just simplifying things, okay? It's fine. So the next thing that it does is just request quarks. By the way, I like it, I really like it. So that we don't need to pass this list to our argument in the agent, I guess, right? Alright. I'm a bit confused right now. So the next thing that we are doing is executing tool calls, right? And then wait, I named it handle tool calls. Wait. So then it's, where is this? Run, it's changing arguments, really? Why would you, it's just like formatting, right? So should execute tells if reason tool calls. Alright. Oh, I got it. Just a simple wrapper. Empty stream data. Right. Text delta. Right. Accumulate stream chunk, the most difficult part. So I agree with that. So accumulate stream chunk, wait. Choice, we have choices here, right? We have delta here, as always. We have content here. Now we check if content, then we add it to the data, right? And also we renamed it to content parts. Why? We are deleting all that. Also reasoning parts. So I guess these are just reasoning parts. I mean parts. Then there is reasoning details. I would say it's the same as it was. Now we have delta.toCalls. Right? The most difficult part. Oh, it's not really difficult. But why? Wait, I don't understand. Why does it do data toCall handling here? If I did a function for handling toCalls, I guess. Let me see. Oh, I confused. It's just adding some data of the toCalls there, right? Then if delta like blah blah blah, then build assistant message. Like, okay. So if we're building assistant message, right? Then we get our keyWarks set, I mean. Then we unfortunately okay. Hello, Thomas 0007. So I didn't really know. Like, okay, that's wait, can we return to the wait. I didn't commit before these changes. Well, let's keep, and also there are 2 files affected. Oh, I got it. Alright, let's keep all. Keep all. Wait, what? Xemer Valve says never. So guys, we have agent loop. Yes. Oh, the agent added some conventions, I would say here. Alright, but the main thing that I still don't get is the full process. Like, is it ready or is it half ready? I need to look into this. Alright. So I guess it's just handle toCalls, right? These are just these functions are just helpers, I'd say. And the main thing here, where is this run stream, right? So we first thing that we are doing is checking on iterations. So if there are some, I mean, checking the max iterations argument. So if it's none, then we set it to 25. Right? Where is this? Yes, 25. Then we add our prompt to agent history, right? Then we set current iteration to 0. We're entering a loop, right? We're adding current iteration to +1. Then we're streaming our LLM response. Then we're ensuring that the data is empty, and if this is empty, we're returning empty response, right? Hello, Thomas007. Unfortunately, I am busy a bit, right? So I will respond to you later. Okay, guys. I already lost where I was. Oh, I remembered. So we were here, right? So we are iterating over the chunks in our streaming. We accumulate or just gather this response in one place. We eventually returning the parts of the response from LLM, like streaming this. Then we adding this to history here, right? We're building full assistant message. We're adding to history. We're executing tools. Oh no, wait. We're continuing doing things, and again. So we're here. We're prompting. We're doing things. So it's ready. Yes. So let's test this actually. So let's run Python. Let's import our agent. Oh wait. I already have a ready script, right? It's here. Agent on a tool call streaming, right? So I can just execute tool call streaming, right? Object has no attribute images. Oh, I guess it's causing errors with those attributes that I added, like images here, comment here. Yes, it's alright here. Could you fix such problems and actually look into the docs for the actual data attributes? Yeah, I know this problem is simple, but maybe it will cause some problems with audio or something else as well. Hey Chad. Right. Yeah, that's YouTube. That's Twitch, that's YouTube, right? What? Okay. So the agent is fixing. Oh, it's adding a refusal parse. Okay, that's good. Also, it's reporting imports in some types, right? Optional text. Alright, it's present. Alright. Accumulate tool color. Accumulate stream delta. Alright. It's extending very quickly. What's the next file, guys? Oh, there's test. That's good. Okay, alright. It's too long, by the way. let's look into the result. So, right. Where's the result? Yeah, I see summary, reasoning. I see all that. Wait. I don't see tool calls here. Yeah, right here. Okay. Wait, what did I do? Delete that. Yeah, I see two calls here. I will never get this base TV with no experience programmers. Actually, okay, got it. So. Could be just from the LM. How to select this? Add to chat, right? Oh, there is no. Alright, we need to read it on our own. Okay. So there is function, right? Tool call, okay. Okay. But I don't see the final result here. Like here. No, there's no like result. And by the way, the tests here are running too long. I suppose it's some internal open routers blind bug, but I don't know, honestly. So I need to figure out is there a response. Yeah, I see there are some tool calls, right? I see that. Oh, here it is. Tool calling, right? And then again tool calling. Why does it tool call so many? Oh, I got it. First time it has no arguments, and this time it has arguments. Okay, but I don't see the tool result, right? Yeah, I don't see that. So removed all the. All tests are passing, but wait. No, there's no way. Oh no. I hit the code. So I think I'll end the stream. So guys, today we fixed our problem with streaming. I mean, we implemented this streaming, right? In the next stream tomorrow, I think we'll implement something like first we'll fix the issues with streaming, because right now I didn't test it yet. We will dig more about how it works, because I didn't review the code very thoroughly of the streaming function class. I mean function, right? And I think we will actually go and start implementing the Telegram bot. Yes, my voice is from laptop default microphone. It may be a little bad. So guys, thanks everyone for watching. Thank you everyone.